everyone. Let's continue our waste part and uh, the waste footprint that we have created last. Now let's go and create our generated waste record. Okay, now let's create our uh, waste record. So these are our Jan 2024 waste record. Okay, stationary asset we can provide or we can left. Uh, this okay, let's take test headquarter for now. Start date in Jan, end date is also in Jan. Waste footprint we just created, or waste footprint record, let's use it. And scope 3 carbon footprint, we can either take or we can leave it, that depends on us. And scope 3 emission source, that's also optional, but we have already placed the stationary asset there which is generating this waste, so we can leave it. Okay, waste disposal and emission factors, these are important. Let's see how our waste factors are created. Okay, not sets. Okay, this is our waste disposal factor. Inside this we have our waste disposable factor records. Okay, so this much of waste we have available. Like for aluminum can, for the combustion, if we are combustion. Okay, let's open this record. Okay, so this is our emission per ton. If we are combustioning or aluminum cans, then per ton we are emitting this much of CO2. Okay, let's take another example. For example, a beef. If we are landfilling our beef, then per ton we are doing this much of emission. For 1 ton of beef landfilling, this is the emission. Now let's go and use the record here. Okay, waste type, you can take anything. Just newspaper, and what we are doing, we are landfilling it, disposable site. Okay, this depends. If we are doing it in on site, these are considered in scope 1. If they are on site, they are considered in scope 3. Let's take on site for now. These are hazardous. These are not hazardous. This hazardous or non-hazardous are generally asked in some of the reports by some of the authorities, like SABI in India. So and we are using this hazardous and non-hazardous in reporting also. And what is the quantity, disposable waste quantity? So we have this much of units available. For the simplification, let's take ton for now. We are taking 100 ton, and we don't have any supplement emissions for now, so let's click on save. Okay, so see for okay, we have 46 tons of emissions, 46 CO2 for 100 tons of newspapers landfilling. And as I said, like for on-site, if we are doing it off-site, these emissions got moved into scope 3. Why? Because these off-sites are like some other sites that we have taken, but it's not at our end. And yeah, now we have created this waste footprint. If we want to bring all our emissions or on our footprint record, we just have to hit the recalculate there, and all our emissions will be on the footprint. Okay, let's click on recalculate. See here, all our emissions are here. So we have only one waste record, so we can, similarly as we did in past, we can lock it so that none of the records can be edited. For let's example, to show you, if I try to do any kind of editing in my record, not possible because it is locked. So that's it from my side. Thank you.